Hello guys, welcome to the channel Medical and Wellness Videos. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. In this video, I came up with some basic information to discuss about, that is some basic medical abbreviations. These abbreviations are quite useful when you have your consultation with your doctor. Then he or she prescribes you some medication to use. By this list, you can easily figure out when and how your doctor mean to use them. So here I divided these lists into three categories. Let's get into them. Firstly, the terms those doctors, pharmacist or nurse use on a prescription. And second one is the terms that indicate the point or period of ingestion of medicines. Lastly, the terms that indicate the routes of ingestion of medicines. Let's go to the first category, the terms that doctors use on a prescription note. Firstly, I'll expand this term. C by O mean complaints of. H by O or HX mean history of patient. Third one, DDX means differential diagnosis of a disease. RX means prescribed one. TX mean treatment. PX mean prognosis. IX means indication. CIX mean contraindication. CX mean complications. PMHX means post-medical history. So let me give some brief explanation for each one of these now. So first one, complaints of means patient's chief problem for coming to see a doctor. And the second one, history of. Here doctors ask their patient their past history of medication or profession or some other etc. to rule out the present cause of the disease. And the next is differential diagnosis. It means the patient's symptoms or condition is appearing to be same like the some other diseases apart from the main suspected disease. And the next is prescribed. Here the medication or the instruction is supposed to be followed by the patient, and it is written by the doctor on a patient's personal prescription note. And the next one is treatment. There is nothing much to explain about this, as most of us are aware of this term. It is just a process that a patient has to undergo for a treatment. The next one is prognosis. Prognosis is a response of a patient to certain medication or treatment. And the next two terms are indications and the contraindication. These terms are usually used when certain treatment or the medication which are supposed to be given to the patient or which are not supposed to be given to the patient. So the next term, that is complication, which means when a condition or a disease of a patient is aggravating rather than subsiding. Last one, post-medical history. History that reveals the symptoms or the condition after taking the medication. Here is the second category. These terms mainly serve the question when you need to take the medication. First one is Q, means every. QD, D refers to day, so every day. QH, every hour. Q4H, every 4 hours. QOD means every other day. BID, that is twice in a day. TID means thrice in a day. And QID, 4 times a day. OD means once in a day. HS or BT means bedtime. BBF means before breakfast. SOS, as if needed. SS means 1.5. AC means before meals, and lastly PC means after meals. Lastly, here is the third category. It serves the question how the medication is to be taken. Usually medication are given in different forms and different routes. Let's see the first one, SC or SU, which means subcutaneous to the cutaneous part of the skin. IM to the intra means intramuscular. IV means intravenous to the veins. ID means intradermal. SL means sublingual. CAP means capsule form. TAB means tablet form. SIR means syrup form, which can be told as a two forms, that is 2 teaspoonful, that is 5 ml, and 1 tablespoonful, that is 15 ml. Oint or UNG means ointment form. OD to the right eye. OS means left eye. OU means both eyes. Usually the ophthalmologist will use these terms in prescription note. So that's it guys, we are done with all the categories. And please let me know by dropping a comment in the comment section if any basic abbreviations that I have missed. And I believe this video will be informative and useful to you all. If you all feel the same, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you friends. Please do subscribe for more videos.